All right then, I see you guys have tried it, yeah? I know you like that, I know you like it. All right, let me tell you something. Now we're gonna put all of it together. We're gonna start with the head, then we move down to the shoulders, then the shoulders to the hips. Let's start with the head first. Remember the U shape. U, 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 U. Now we're gonna add the head and shoulders. U shape together like this. U. Now we're gonna go with the hips as well. So you're gonna do head, shoulders, and hips like this. And watch. Of course, we want to make this more interesting. So now the head is gonna go on single counts, like 1, 1, 1, 1. Now watch your hips. Watch these hips. It goes just hips, 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 hips with shoulders. Now add the head. And you can play with this, just like that. Look at how I'm looking, different places. Take it low. See that? I can. See that? Same groove is still going. See that? I can do anything. Same groove. Yeah? I can even go low. Same groove. That's the most important thing you need to do in popping, I believe. Groove. Thank you.